Hi. I'm from the local newspaper taking some video. Are you with the group that's camping out down the road there?
7th Virginia Cavalry.
Oh, okay. So you're here for the whole weekend?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We came in Friday.
Where are you from?
Richmond.
Richmond. So you have a camp out there at Cedar Creek?
We did. We've already taken it up for the day.
Okay, so you're just waiting for this train
We're
thing?
just waiting for the train to come in so get some pictures.
Okay, well, can I have your names?
I'm Dennis Marshall. This is my wife, Kathy.
And do you do this very often? Go out to different places like this?
I've been doing this for about 10 years.
Oh,
Actually,
wow.
this is our first reenactment.
Okay.
Tom and Leslie Merrick.
I'm sorry, what?
Luray, Virginia.
Okay.
And we've come to see the Great Train Raid.
And were you camping out or are you just visiting from Luray?
We're just visiting from Luray.
Okay. And are you reenactors? Do you do?
We do, yes.
Yes, we are. We're actually with the 3rd Maryland Company B, so out of Hagerstown, but
Okay. And so
volunteer
Union,
infantry,
yes.
right?
Ah,
But
okay.
Tom's dressed as a civilian. He doesn't want to get captured by the Rebs.
Okay. And where are you from?
Capon Bridge, West Virginia.
And what regiment are you with?
1st Virginia Cav.
And how often you do this?
We've done it for 4 years.
Okay. And was it hot out there today? How are you going to cool off?
Slowly.
Slowly. Did you camp out up at Bell Grove?
Bell Grove at Cedar Creek.
Cedar Creek, and will you do that again tonight?
No. Got to load up.
And were you riding a horse or were you walking?
Well, we had a horse, but we wasn't feeling well, so we couldn't bring her out.
So you walked, or?
We actually came up in wagon.
Wagon.
Garden wagon.
Okay. All right, well, thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.